I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more.
Hey Team Creative Design, welcome back guys. Today we are jumping into another wig review. Guys, thank you for joining me. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of Team Creative, where we do everything like a boss. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will get notified when all of my videos drop. So guys, let's jump into the video. Today's video is going to be a review on a headband wig that I ordered. It is a deep curly wig that has a kinky texture. The company was called Fushin on Amazon. It did not give the unit a specific name when I found it on Amazon, so I will drop the link in the description box down below if you would like to order. This unit was $24, guys. Very inexpensive, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I did like the reviews. I like the way that appeared in the reviews when I looked at the pics. So I decided to go ahead and jump in and try it. This is not sponsored. So again, thank you for joining me. I'm going to jump right into the video, guys. This is going to be short and sweet. So let's get going.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
Okay, Team Creative, so here we are. The unit came packaged like this. It didn't, like I said, it didn't really show a name. I didn't get any care instructions with it. She did come, I did get a headband, of course, that came with it. So I'll open that quickly just so you guys can see what the headband is looking like. And I think you get, it's no rhyme or reason. There were about 6 different headbands in the picture, and so I guess they just randomly select how they package them. So this is the headband, but it has vibrant colors. It's cute. And let's go ahead and unpackage this unit and jump right in. So automatically, guys, of course, it has the elastic band to it. And in the inside, it has your standard comb. Let's see. So actually it has one comb in the front, and then it has the adjustable strap at the bottom here, right at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and adjust the strap to where I think it should be. And actually, guys, if you can see that, it does not clip inside the wig like a lot of units. It looks like it just clips together. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip it together just so that will be tight. And let's see how this does. It does look very kinky. Has a lot of curls to it, so we'll see how this goes. So if you see me, I'm sorry guys if I'm looking off camera, but I'm looking in my mirror as well to see just what I'm doing here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. And immediately I have the straps to the, I don't know if it adjusts much as far as intensity and tightness, but this is pretty tight. And I have my natural hair braided down under here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this other elastic band. And with this unit, it definitely does not look like you have to have any hair left out. So guys, this is what the unit is looking like, of course, right out of the pack. Now the curls to me are a little tight. I don't like the bounce in my curls because it gives it an unrealistic look. So I'm gonna take this and put a little bit of mousse on it just to see if I can play with it and get it to where I want it. I don't want to have to cut the unit because I want the flexibility to style it in different ways. So let's go ahead and I'm going to put on the headband that they sent with the unit and see how it does. Okay guys, so here is the unit. I applied some product to it. I did have to go in, guys, and cut some layers to kind of frame my face just because this is such a kinky unit. I like big hair, but it just was falling to me too full. It wasn't framing my face at all. I cut very little just because I didn't want to cut too much of it. It is a very kinky texture, but I do actually like it. If you like your hair to be very full and you like the kinky or natural look, you will like this unit. So it was $24, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it in a different way and see if I can pull it up and see what kind of look we get with changing the headband. I did go ahead and cross the headband here. I don't have any of my edges left out, so we're gonna transition and see how it looks with a scarf, if I can get it up in a bun. Okay guys, so it did take a little bit of effort to get this up into a bun, but I got it up into a bun just about where I want it. So I'm gonna stick a few hairpins in here. I kind of want to leave out a little bit of hair, so I'm not gonna pin it all down. Just kind of make the bun not be so messy. And then I'm just gonna try to wrap this scarf. And this is just a thin scarf, but I bought it, I think, from Ross a while back, guys. So.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch.
Okay guys, so I got it crossed here. It is nice and snug. I don't think any of my back is showing. Now for me, I like my hair, and I'm gonna back you guys up a little bit just so you can see what I mean. So it is up in a bun, in a messy bun. I would be fine with wearing this to work, out on a day shopping. I think it's really cute and simple. And so I'm gonna turn and give you guys a back view. So guys, I am really liking this. I have a couple other headbands. I may try to style it a few other ways, but for me, I like it pent up just because this is big hair. It gives it a full look when you pull it up in a bun, and I think it's really cute, guys. So I am gonna drop it in the description box. This was just gonna be a quick review. Grab this wig for me to have something if I'm running late in the mornings, need something cute, throw on a little makeup, and you are ready to go, guys. I popped on some lashes and I'm out. So guys, definitely please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for joining me.